Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I wanted to do something simple, and this is my, I would say, daily makeup look on a weekend. So this is not what I wear every day when I go to work. Everything I used in this video I will link down below in my description box, so if you want to check it out, feel free. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Today I don't want to use foundation, so I'm only using concealer. I'm using my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Snow. And then just blend that concealer everywhere. Then I'm going over this with my One Drop Coverage Weightless Concealer from Catrice in the shade Porcelain. And I'm using two different concealers because I don't use foundation, so I want that everything is even, and that's why I'm using two concealers. So now I'm using my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. So now I'm cream contouring with my NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Light Medium. I'm using my mattifying powder. I'm using my mattifying powder from Essence in the shade Light Beige. And then I'm bronzing a little bit with my, like always, with my Sun Dream from Maybelline. Next I'm using blush, and that's my Makeup Revolution palette, the Ultra Blush palette in Sugar and Spice. And I'm using this peachy color. Okay, so now I'm moving on to my eyes, and I'm using my NYX Swear By palette, the one I used in the video before. I said I really want to create more looks with that palette, so here we go. think because this is a more natural look, I go with more natural colors. I'm starting with this shade, with the light shade. First I'm using this shade right here. And then I'm using this shade here. It's a, I would say, orangey shade. Brown orange. And I put that over my whole eyelid. And then blending it out. I'm using this light shade here on my eyelid a little bit to give it a little glow. So now eyeliner, because that's what I always do daily basis. I always do eyeliner, and I'm using my Essence liquid ink eyeliner in black. Now I'm curling my lashes. And I'm using my mascara from Essence, the Maximum Volume Mascara. So for highlighter, I'm using my Catrice highlighter in the shade Light Infusion, the champagne color. I love that for daily basis, so this is perfect. Not too much, not too less. And for lips, just using a lip gloss, and this is the Generation Plump and Shine lip gloss from Catrice in the shade Shimmery Goldstone. So I hope you guys like the makeup look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye!